Check this out. We got this wheel turned to the right, and we got these ones straight. Yeah. You shouldn't be able to turn your wheel like that. Check this out. Broken tie rod.
I told the guys this company, but not like working in this car, only working trucks.
Like big trucks, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No problem at all. I'll take care of it.
Yeah.
I'll text you when I'm done. It only replaced this side right here.
Yes, it's only this.
Only this, yeah.
But you check, maybe it need other...
I can check, yeah. When I lift up, I can check the other side as well.
See,
All right, that's what we have right here. This thing looks rusted as fuck. Do a little bit of cleaning here. I gotta take this caliper off so I can get the bolt out for the ball joint. Thankfully, the customer was parked when this happened, because imagine this thing coming off as you're driving. You're hurting yourself, you're hurting other people more than likely. So thankfully, it happened here. So let's get this swiftly replaced. Couple bangs here. Get that out. Now this one's going to be the hard part right here, because that looks rusty. I'm going to heat that up a lot before I even attempt it, because I don't want to damage that. $24. Alright, well, that was easy. Actually came off a lot easier than I thought. Ooh, that thing's hot. AutoZone didn't even give me the nut for this, so we're gonna go in there just like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize in there. I'm gonna recommend to this customer to do, you know, inner, outer tie rods all around. Obviously this outer tie rod is good now, but the other side, he's gonna have to redo them. check out this other lower ball joint right here. He's definitely going to need that too. Otherwise that could come off like this, and that's not good. So I'm going to recommend him. He does inner tie rods, outer tie rod on the other side. Obviously, you know, this one is brand new, so keep that. Sway bar links, these have play. I can feel them, and lower control arms. So suspension in the front needs to be brand new, and there's a lot of rust here too. So whew. This side's actually not as bad. This one has no plate in it, but obviously I'd recommend he does both sides. I wouldn't recommend he does one, but he can do what he wants. It's his money at the end of the day, not mine. So there's that for this one. Just got to take it off the jack stands and we're done.